Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use the educational voices in 11 Labs. So on the 11 Labs website, all you have to do is click on the voices option here and choose the library section, which would bring you to a page like this. The next step is to click on this last option, which is informative and educational. Now you can proceed to choose a voice that resonates with you and the project. You can also sample check each voice to make sure they are of good quality to your project, and you would hear perfect.
Famous quotes are like stars.
So you can also select another one. This is Sevan Bowman.
Everything that is temporary is an illusion.
Okay, so this is how to choose an educational voice for your educational project on 11 Labs. Please consider subscribing to the channel if this video has been helpful to you. See you in the next one, and do have a great day.